Who is a winner? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. And you could say the winner is the person who gets a gold medal at an Olympic game. You could also say the winner is the country which gets most medals. But here is now an interesting comparison. If you see how different parts of the world count who is a winner from a countryside, you see some distinct differences. Germans, for example, count very strict gold medals, silver medals, and bronze medals separately. They add it up separately. So in a way, if you may have 5 bronze medals, 20 silver medals, but 0 gold medals, you may be at the end of the pecking order. Whereas American media thinks everybody is a winner, almost like the Chuck E. Cheese motto, and they are counting all medals together, and all medals together gives the total. Interesting way of calculating it. And I'm not here to judge what's right, what's wrong, as in cross-cultural comparison, which I see in different parts of the world, standards different. Standards are not agreed upon, and what's right in one country can be wrong in the other country. But I'm taking this moment today to muse not only about the Olympic principles, but also about how the same game can lead to different interpretations in different parts of the world. How does this make you think about your business principles, that one business principle may fail in another part of this world? How may this work together with some human interaction where a friendly greeting may be misinterpreted in the other part of the world? My main takeaway today is wherever you are, make sure that you follow the local customs. And depending on which country is winning, you may want to look into the charts from the newspapers in one country rather than the one of the other country.